On our Windbreaker kit here for the Shademobil, this is a Shademobil model 1200. On the Windbreaker kit, comes with the 4 panels there lined up, and you can see here at the top where this one is hooked up there and then also hooked up on the other side. Panel number 1 has this little notch here in the bottom, as well as this plate with the pin, the cotter pin, to keep it fastened to the Shademobil. And then panel number 2 is a full-size panel, and panel number 2 is actually the same as panel number 4 down at the end. So number 2 and number 4 are the same. They are identical. They could be interchanged. But panel number 1 has a notch for the wheel in the front, and then panel number 3, which is fastened right here at the top as well as right here at the top, so it's right in this section, has a wheel notch and also has the extra piece coming down here, and has the plate here to fasten to the Shademobil again. And all the bolts are included at the top to hang it. The only thing you will want to do for winter prep is make sure you turn your fan off. And then this set of bolts right here, you'll want to flip those and put the eye bolt at the top. Otherwise, the blade of your fan will hit them if you are running it, if you put them down. So make sure you flip those up when you change seasons, when you put your Windbreaker kit up. And the same could also be said for this side as well. And to stabilize the panels on the back side, the included bracing here in the back of the Shademobil, we have an angled piece, goes from the axle, fastens over to the panel number 4, and then to keep each panel together, there's an included angle iron piece here. We just put 2 screws in it just for the show here, but you will want to fasten it with 4 screws, and that keeps the 2 panels together, keeps them from swinging, as well as one there in the middle and one in the front. The other important thing when you're getting ready for winter is to make sure you roll up your Shademobil. This is will not hold snow, so it will rip in the snow. So fold in your wings, roll up the shade cloth and hang your Windbreaker. Your cows will want the sun this time of year in the wintertime anyway. So fold everything up, hang your Windbreaker, and it will probably reduce your wind speed by 80% or so. The cows love it. It's been used numerous times and we've had good reviews from it, so very effective in slowing down the wind.